why not make a brilliant puppet made out of boxes? Let's make it! As well as cardboard boxes, we'll need some things from the doodle drawers. Some paint. Some sticky tape and some felt tip pens. Some card. And some fluffy pom-poms. Whoa! Now, to make a box puppet like this one here, have a look in your kitchen cupboards or in a supermarket for 2 cardboard boxes that are about the same size, like this. There. Now we need to tear the flaps off both of the boxes at one end. Now this is a bit tricky, so you might want to ask an adult to help you. There. When that's done, we can put one box on top of the other and line them up so both of the open ends are together. Now we need to put some bits of sticky tape in here to make a sort of hinge. So let's start off by painting this grey. And when it's dry, you can paint the inside of the mouth black. Now it's dry, we can give our donkey some eyes. And when you're drawing eyes, it helps if you draw around something that's round, like the top of a glue stick. And there's 2. Now let's add some droopy eyelids, and we can colour those in with a grey felt tip pen. Now let's add some black circles in the middle for pupils. And our donkey's eyes are ready to cut out. But be careful, because scissors are sharp. Put some glue onto the back of your donkey eyes. And now we can stick these onto 2 fluffy pom-poms like these. There! Look at that, fantastic! Now we can stick these eyes on top of our donkey's head. There! Looking good already, but our donkey needs some big floppy ears. Now to make these ears, we need some more card. And we're going to draw, with a black pen, 2 pointy arch shapes like this. Great! Now we can cut these out very carefully. Then paint them the same colour as your donkey's head. And when your ears are dry, draw a smaller arch inside each one. Now give them a bit of a squeeze to give them some shape. And now we can stick them onto our box puppet. There we go, looking good. But as a finishing touch, our donkey needs some sticky out teeth. Now to make those, we will need a small square of card. And we're going to draw a line down the middle, then make a flap by just bending over a little bit of the edge there. We can put some glue on that edge, and this will fix it inside our donkey's mouth. Push it in there. Perfect! There he is! What do you think?
Well, I think I look rather good, actually.
Good, eh? And you can make all sorts of different box puppets. Ooh, how about this dog? Using different coloured pom-poms to make it look like he's got a patch over one eye. Ooh, or a sheep. Cotton wool makes an excellent fleece. Ooh, or look at this lion, using fake fur to make a bushy mane. So why don't you try making two boxes talk by making a box head puppet?